Okay, this is the DNM shock, 165 millimeters eye to eye. This is the stock shock here. And this thing is way heavier than the DNM. So the DNM isn't exactly a direct replacement. The old shock has this roll bar that goes through it with these spacers. Your DNM shock might come with one of these replacement kits here for any rolls. It's kind of like an adapter kit. You can see that this roll pin here is actually longer. It goes all the way through, but it's actually longer than the adapter kit pins. So you'll have to pull this out, replace this in here, and add the other spacer on the other side. With a little grease, a little elbow grease. And so now, after a bunch of finagling, we're ready to get mounted.